sunrise in Shanghai. It's magical. The sky turns into a canvas with amazing colors. Winning the day is important, and sunrise is a must for me. Suzhou Creek is so calm, peaceful, and quiet in the early morning. Here is Snow White. We're going out for a walk early in the morning. We train together, we run together. Well, we try. Having a buddy like Snow White, it feels so good. I'm grateful. I'm helping her. She's also helping me. She was abandoned by her previous owners, and I found her on the street. During the walk, I like to watch the locals, and sometimes I do what they do. It's awesome to observe and do these traditional practices. Suzhou Creek is powerful. I sometimes stay there and watch Suzhou Creek. It gives me energy. Try to chase the reflections. It's such a joy. And seeing Snow White making some friends, that's the fun part. Snow White can't see very well, so every time she stops to smell anything she wants, I do squats.
你好，你好，
你好，
你好。
On my way to the wet market, I love to stop by the garden. I love my compound's garden. I think it's beautiful.
That's the wet market that we're going to. I generally shop from that corner. Oh! Hello! Alright, first of all, let's go and get some veggies from this corner. Generally don't like this because the smell makes me feel like I'm having a headache. But I'm gonna actually put it in the oven and I'm gonna put some yogurt. It should be fine. I'm gonna eat it like rice, you know, just a little trick. Shisha.
哔哩哔哩啊！
对，优酷哔哩哔哩。
哦，优酷哔哩哔哩啊，里面。
它自配。
哦，
对。
自配。
你知道吗？
我不知道，我是第一次知道。
42块。
拔葱啊，葱小菜。他那个叫什么？谢谢，谢谢。
Alright, we just finished our vegetable shopping. Obviously it's crowded and I'm trying to find my way to show it to you as best as possible. They're the owner of the fruit store.
你好，你好，你好。
你好，你好。
这个好吃。
Alright, they gave me to try this one. Mmm. 很好吃. Very delicious. Oh my god. This is so good. Sorry guys, but sorry, I ate it all. So so good. So this is like that. You know, very cool. And you just open this part. Ooh, look what you found. The pearl. And then we're gonna eat it. Before I eat it, let me show it to you.
这两样28，这个27。
27?
28，这两样28。
28. Jiga?
这个贵，这个贵，这个便宜点。
As you can see here, guys, we're gonna pay with our phones. We don't use cash or card at all. So I'm gonna use Alipay.
不用谢，哎，这是做节目啊，拜拜，
Bye bye.
哎。
And generally, when you get minced beef, it's just too much fat, and I don't want fat. I want lean meat, and we say 不要肥肉. We say 不要肥肉.
Oh.
Hello. So yeah, I got my minced beef, and I'm gonna cook, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. But anyway, he likes to interrupt. So my first time buying some meat from the wet market. I hope it will be good. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What do you think? I think these are good.
拿15个，
这个冷吗？
不要剪掉，一价剪掉。
Spicy or hot. The bulla, it's not spicy, it's not hot.
今天不是这个招的，全出打是一起招。
Because I live alone here, so I can't really buy a lot of things or in big quantities. So I try to go with one, and that generally, enough for me for like 3-4 days. Sometimes less, sometimes more. But because it's always fresh here, I can come back and shop anytime I want. So we got our receipt, we gotta pay now. The next time I'm getting that stroller, I'm gonna push, pull, instead of like.
When I open the door, my cats, Cheetos and Ginger, welcome me. I started to do my own yogurts at home. Homemade yogurt tastes so much better, but it takes some time, and that's fine. In the morning, I try to have a full plate of breakfast with avocado, 2 eggs, Calais, and on top of it, caramelized vegetables, of course cheese, and tomatoes, a little bit pepper. I have my fruit cup with yogurt, strawberry, mango, and a little bit of quinoa seeds. Hi guys! Today is the first day of my weight loss journey and I'm quite excited. Nervous as well because it requires a system, right? And you have to build it very strong from the beginning. So let me introduce myself a little bit. My name is Ephraim. I've been living in Shanghai for more than 7 years. Starting from 2016, I started to put a little bit of weight. I had a scooter accident in 2016. That was not nice, but I was lucky. But after that scooter accident, I couldn't really move the way I used to. I wasn't that active in terms of sports. At some point, I was almost up to 75 kilos, and that was like 2018. And I said, okay, that's it's not for you, baby. And I said that's enough. I lost 14.5 kilos within a month, and that was all about eating a lot and exercising a lot. But then after 2019, I put 30 kilos on. So, you know, when you put on that much weight, it changes you. The way you walk changes. The way you smile changes. The way you sit down changes. It's not about how it looks as well, it's about the health. And I wanted to lose weight. I was talking about it. Talking doesn't get anything done. What I want to do with these video series is I want to be completely honest how it looks like from my perspective, how I feel, what I do, what works, what doesn't.
Nice.
Say hello.
Hi.
Yo, you're so cute. Do you smell my cats?
So it's illustrated.
That's hilarious.
I'll say Snoopy. You know, this is very simple thing. It can be used anywhere.
True. I mean, you can do anything. Merhaba. Merhaba. Nereden geliyor bu Türkçe? Merhaba. Yok duymadım. Bir %50 duydum.
Çok iyi.
Bir %50 duydum. Başka bir şey duymadım.
Şangay grubunda video atıyorsunuz. Siz olsunuz.
O benim, evet. Uzayıf var. Merhaba. Evrim ben bu arada. İyiyim. Siz nasılsınız? Once we wrap our meeting with Vicky, then on our way to go to the office. I love cycling in French Concession. It is so beautiful. In the afternoon, I'm meeting with my students at one of the business schools for a digital marketing class. Once it's done, I pick up Snow White and we're out in the fields again. But I do the running, as you can see. Is kind of dragging her feet. But isn't she cute? It's great to have a buddy to walk around, run around, and sometimes just play around. You know, it's great to have a dog. I try to walk along Suja Creek twice a day, and every time I fall in love with it. Everything I see around, I feel like it's magical. as the sun goes down, the lights come up. I try to get some reading time before I go to bed. I'm reading a book called The Power of Habit. I highly recommend it. It's a powerful book. I'm getting ready to finish my day, hugging my dog and my cats. In the weight loss journey, a good night's sleep is essential. So I try to make sure that I go to bed early so that I can wake up early the next day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.